What's up guys, Christian here. Welcome back to the channel. Black Friday and Cyber Monday 2021 is over, but it doesn't mean you can stop shopping because Christmas is coming. So I have here some speakers. Some of them are Bluetooth, some are direct wired speakers, and also some speaker accessories, just like this speaker stand, which is very sturdy and which we'll be talking about later. And also I have a gaming headset. So we are going to talk about these products. Let's start with the first one we have here is this SPK PAL S600, which is a USB powered speaker for your desktop or probably for your laptop. It's a gaming speaker with dynamic RGB lights. You can connect the speaker via the 3.5mm jack, or you can actually connect it via Bluetooth. So this is a 5.0 Bluetooth. It has a touch control for your RGB light. The sound quality is solid and the LED light is very attractive. So it has 6 modes where you can choose for different vibes by touch control. You also have an option to turn off the light. It has an enhanced clear bass equipped with an advanced sound drive with full range 2.0 channel. It has a modern design, it's compact, and it is very attractive because of its RGB lights. And next we have these two speaker stand, and you can also use it as a book stand as well. It has some rubber attachment on the top and the bottom for anti-slip, and it has some like bar stopper from the back. This is a heavy-duty desktop PC speaker stand to either mount small speakers or large speakers. This will allow you to save space because of its C-shaped design. Even though you play heavy bass sound, there's vibration, it will not slip, or the speaker will not slip because of their rubber stopper. It comes with a perfect size with a width of 13 cm, height of 12 cm, and a depth of 18 cm, and a maximum load capacity of 9 kg. And it has a 5 degrees angle for a better speaker direction. This is a 2-in-1 computer speakers, which is quite compact. It also has an RGB light that is inside the speaker, which makes it very nice to look at. It has a decent size and a great sound quality. It is very easy to install, which is powered by USB, and you connect the device via a 3.5mm jack. It has a headphone and mic enabled just in case you want to connect a direct headphones to the speaker. Okay, moving along to the next product that we have is this gaming headset. So this is a computer gaming headset E300. This headphones comes with a mic and RGB light, also has a volume control for laptop. It is compatible with Mac, Nintendo Switch, Xbox One, or the X Series, whichever gaming console they use, connect this headphones or this gaming headphones. So it has a surround sound effect, it has a noise cancelling, which also comes with the ergonomic design. I love it because it is very light and easy to use, just plug and play. And next we have is this small size speakers. This is quite handy if you are going outdoors and if you want to use this speaker, probably you want to plug it directly to your laptop and you don't want to use your Bluetooth. This is a great option speaker, although it's small, but it has a big sound, it has a solid sound, its bass is solid, which is pretty handy. It also has some RGB lights as well. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check the links in the description below, and I'll see you on the next video.